Let's add lasagna as a main course to your party. Add chopped garlic. Add half kg minced in little water. Add yogurt grinded with garlic, ginger and green chilies. Add tikka masala. Add ketchup. Add soy sauce, vinegar and hot sauce. Add salt. Add red chilies and red sauce is ready. For white sauce, add 2 ts butter, 4 ts all-purpose flour, and half kg milk. Add black pepper, chili flakes, chicken powder, cheese, salt, oregano, mixed herbs and soy sauce. Now time to assemble with lasagna sheets, prepared red sauce, white sauce, and shredded cheddar and mozzarella cheese and layer it. For making in the microwave oven, boil the sheets fully. Top it with oregano, mixed herbs and red chili flakes. Keep it in microwave oven for 5 minutes. And it is ready to eat.